This cinnamon coffee cake mug cake is the ultimate comfort dessert. Buttery, cinnamon swirled, and ready in just minutes. No oven, no fuss, just pure cafe-style goodness right from your microwave. Perfect for those lazy mornings or midnight cravings when you want something warm and homemade. Let's get started. In a microwave-safe mug, add 4 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. That's your soft, fluffy base. Then mix in 2 tablespoons of sugar, a 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder, and just a tiny pinch of salt to balance the sweetness. Give it a quick stir so everything's evenly combined. Now pour in 3 tablespoons of milk, any kind you like, 1/4 teaspoon of instant coffee powder, and 1 tablespoon of melted butter or oil for richness, a 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla extract for that warm bakery aroma, and a 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon powder. Mix until smooth and lump-free, scraping the sides and bottom so every bit of flour blends in perfectly. The batter should look creamy and pourable. Pop it into the microwave and cook on medium-high power for about 60 seconds. Let your cake rest for a minute before topping. While it cools slightly, make a quick icing. Mix 2 tablespoons of powdered sugar, a pinch of coffee powder, and a few drops of milk or water until it's thick but pourable. Mix until smooth and glossy. Drizzle that icing over your warm cake and watch it melt into every fluffy bite. Then for the final touch, sprinkle a pinch of cinnamon on top. And there you go. Your cinnamon coffee cake mug cake is ready to enjoy. Soft, sweet, and perfectly spiced. It's like a warm hug in a mug, ideal with your morning coffee or as a comforting evening treat. Follow for more no-fail microwave treats.